DVT watchpoints tell you exactly which line of code is accessing or modifying a variable. You can quickly set a watchpoint by double-clicking on the editor vertical bar next to the declaration of a class field, a module signal, or a method variable. Execution will suspend whenever the variable is accessed or modified. A typical use case for watchpoints is debugging unexpected values of a variable. Let's take this one for example. Its default value is 1, but at this point during execution, its value is actually 0. Of course, you could use the show writers functionality and review the matches to find out where it might have taken the unexpected value, but to find out exactly how this particular change occurred, let's set up a modification watchpoint in the breakpoints view. By the way, notice that watchpoints are rendered according to their type. Moving forward, notice that now execution is stopped only when the watched variable is about to be modified, on the line that will cause the change. Unexpected randomization can be hard to debug with conventional methods, but watchpoints provide a clever way to catch it. Let's set up a modification watchpoint on this rand configuration attribute and run again. Notice how execution stops precisely when the rand variable is generated, allowing us to perform further interactive debugging.